Good afternoon, everyone. I'm on YouTube. This is on YouTube. So I wanted to share exactly what's going on. We have a 90-day cash flow plan to $100 a day. And we have a system that it's easy for everyone to do. They just have to do it. Who am I? I'm the Dwayne Mooney. I'm the CEO of the Wealth Portal. The Wealth Portal is a success club / coaching company that specializes in passive investing and self-improvement. And we find um, alternative uh, investment strategies all around the world, little known, that people really just don't know about, that we find. And we deal with 4 levels or 4 systems of investments that we do. One is third-party platforms. That's when, that's the online investments, hype, high yield investment programs. We call them platforms, and we build cash flow from there. And we also have Forex bots. We have crypto bots. We also have managed staking and liquidity pools. And we also have where you can do it yourself. So, and we also have how you can accumulate silver and gold. So we have Paretha, that's the word, of things that people can make money in, and we're always adding. So, but I want to show people how to make $100 an hour ASAP. We have it how people can make it in 3 months. And these are the platforms that we're dealing with to do that I want to share. Um, and it's for a reason. We have strong platforms. And let's see if I can pick. Okay. One, I don't know if you can see it. One is, excuse me, TLC. It's been around for a while. TLC trade like crazy, for another words, for another name. We call it TLC. They're making plenty of money. People are making thousands a week. And why we like it is you can start with $20 and get a package. $20 package will give you 3 times as much. You'll get 60 back. $50 package will get you 150 back. Basic $100 will get you 300 back. And 500 will get you 1,500 back. Excuse me. On and on and on. All the way up to the 100,000 level. So people are loving this platform because they're very transparent. People went to the main offices out of the country and they show the real trades. Even back here, you can see back in the back office, you can see the traders. Screen changing. Who knows? But you can see the traders, and it's very easy to invest. You just deposit here, put in how much you want. You know, you're gonna pay extra. I think it's $3 extra now. It will allow, so you gotta add $3. It'll show you when you click deposit. So you add 23. So then when it comes through, um, that's when you fund it. And when you go down here, you go down to the packages to fund here. Insufficient funds, so it can't go through. So it's pretty much easy to do. Um, you know, you put the link in the outside wallet, and you know, money comes here, and you know the rest. So it's a good program. We like it. So it's one we're using for our $98 to $100 a day plan. And then another one is GoBets. GoBets, they deal with arbitrage betting. And we're doing well with them. And they pay on the 5th and the 20th of every month. So obviously it's the 23rd, so we just got paid. Um, it's interesting how this one works when you look at the sure bet contracts. Arbitrage betting is when they find around the world different betting systems that are companies that have different spreads on the win side and the, you know, on the to win and then to lose, and you find the spread difference, and so you bet to win and you bet to lose, and there's a spread difference, and you always make money. So this one pays, and it's the person who runs it is a former uh, soccer player. But how it works is $20 turns into $50, $40 turns into 100, 60 turns into 150, and 200 turns into 500, 600 turns into 1,500, 1,000 turns into 2,500. And why we like it again, because the minimum is $20 for you to start. So there's no excuses. You can do it the same with the other one, TLC. You can start with a little bit of money. So that's why I showed you these first two. You can build it up, build it up, build it up. My TLC is about $700 I have. And this one I have about 340, somewhere around there. And it becomes very uh, fun. Manual return 90. I may have 223. I have 340, about 340, 50, somewhere around there. If I had 224, 90, and 45, whatever that number is. But I have it. I believe in this. It's making me money. And then it's easy to fund. This one is easy to fund. Go to dashboard, or I go to assets. And no, actually I go to, where do I go? Sure bets contracts. Here I just pick a contract. Say for instance, I'm doing a $40. Start here. And then I use the method of pay. TRC. I buy, goes through, and then I just get my information here, put it on my outside wallet, get the money in, send it, send $42, and I'm off to the races. It shows up. I don't have to, it shows up right in your betting. And then, when you're betting, mine isn't up yet because I did it last night. You click which one you want, which one's going to pay the most. There's soccer teams. I usually bet this one. And I look for the highest percentage. But if you don't want to do it, and then it's not showing up, you can do the rest in this area. And then, I have 380. Okay, cool. Should get that to 400 ASAP. And then, hopefully today, I'll make that 400. And then, you get, you just make money daily. It's fun. You can pull out on the 5th and the 20th. Downline, you can affiliate money you can pull out daily. Okay. So the third one that we're doing is, but I really like this one because I love the bet, but I don't like to win or lose. So this makes it easy for me. And it's constant money coming in. So, and again, it's really inexpensive to get in. You can start at $20. Now, the next one that I like is, Polivera. And this is a real good one. Got 160. I really got to build it up. This is the next one I'm building up. I was going to put some money in yesterday, but I put it into something else because I want them all at least at $500, right? Minimum, but really 1,000 would be better. But I want them at least all at 500. And this one works. This one is trading. This one is doing what I just said. The same thing with the other one is doing, but it's dealing with cryptocurrency arbitrage, dealing with cryptocurrency though, and they have bots. You click the bot, and you pick which one you want to do. $50 is good if you want to test. It pays 12% and 12% in. I have one going here, 12% in 15 days. And then you get the arbitrage 30-day, and you can do a 30-day, 90-day. If you do the 30-day, you get, well, both of them, but you make $30 off every 100, and you get your principal back. So this is like really I love this one. So I really got to fund it because you get your principal back too. So once I get the other one, the two, I get them at 500. I got to get this one at 500. That one and go bets. But this one I really got to build because it pays so much. And then we have another one coming. It'll be coming probably next week. It pays 2.5% a day for 6 days, and you actually get your principal back, profit back at the end of 6 days. You can only pull out every 6 days, but that'll be an added cash flow. And the whole thing is to work these companies and use the money to put money in the other one, because some of them take $20, build that one. When you build it up to a certain point, you may build that one up and get 100 out and put it in Polivera. So you just continue to build them like it's one company, but you're constantly moving money. So you can build it faster. That's why you're using the 3 programs or 3 platforms. Soon it'll be 4. And now what are you doing it for? What the question is, what are you doing it for? You're doing it to build a more solid company. And that's just in my mind, it's more solid because it's SEC approved. And the name of that company is Trade Tech, which I funded last night. And what I like about this program is that they're doing a lot of meetings. Looks like it's going to be here a while, and it's something you can put your teeth into. The compensation plan is wonderful. I just funded. I want to see if it showed up. I came in, I did the minimum, which is 100. And the way it works, can't see if it'll show in my report. So it's not showing yet. I mean, it shows it's been invested.
You see, hey, Dwayne, you'll see it in your dashboard. If you go to dashboard, you should see it in the bottom of your dashboard. It usually show up from the time that you transfer it. When you transfer it from your USDT to your arbitrage wallet, from the time you hit submit, whether it's 12 p.m. Eastern time, it'll show up in your arbitrage wallet 24 hours later. So I don't know what time you invested, but
Yeah.
that's the
Well,
time that it should show up in your
I,
arbitrage wallet.
I switched it to my arbitrage last night, so it's just it's not showing yet.
It won't show up then for 24 hours. So it'll show
Right.
up tonight then. If you switched it
Yeah,
last night, it won't show up until
yeah,
tonight.
yeah. That's what I thought precisely. So, but what this makes this one so good is because if I go to the download, you can see what I like about it so much is if you look at the plan. Oops, this in English. Try. What I like about it is that each level, they do arbitrage trading as well. And what I like about it is each level, as it goes higher, as you put in more money, it will actually um, give you, a higher percentage. $100, 4%, um, 208%, 1,000, 12%. Looking for this thing to load. Um, then 5,000 is no 1,000 is 20%. 5,000 is 28%, and 10,000 is 36%. What you get monthly, but you get paid daily. And what I like about this is you have access to your principal and profit daily, right? Which is a good thing. And then their compensation plan is just probably one of the best ones I've seen toward payouts and what you can do with it. So it's something that you want to build, but just as a um, trader or an investor, something that you want to build for the long term so you can use the other three, which will be four, uh, cash flow systems to invest in this one for long term. So the whole goal is if you're working it correctly, you can really build where you're making $100 a day in 90 days. It's just moving money. So you have to be active. You have to be active on the side of as an investor, moving money. And then if you really want to build it faster, you will recruit and share it with others. That'll have you at $100 a day fairly quickly. And so what you want to do is every time you get an extra $10, $20, $50, $100, fund those ones that's minimum 20, $20, $50, $100. Fund those, get your money work. Constantly funding. Every time you get extra money, put it in, put it in. It's just not moving money, it's putting money in, putting money in. That's the way you build it fast. if people do it, if they follow the system, they'll be at $100 a day in a month if they're actually putting new money in, moving money, and at the same time, if they're recruiting. That's the fastest way to do it. The second fastest way is just to fund it yourself and move money. Fund it yourself. You just want to do it on your own. Fund it yourself and move money. You got to act like an investor slash trader because traders pay attention. They're constantly looking at charts and making trades. Well, here you're constantly looking at your programs and moving money. So you're having a trader mindset, right? So you can build it fast. And this is for people who want to be financially free. And you may have $100 to start. You may have $20 to start. Just get busy. Now, if you want to put 1,000 in each platform, you'll be at $100 probably within a week, a day. The point is, get started, get in where you fit in and use it. And then what we have coming, which Naima will be beta testing. She told me about a platform, a program. This is a program, not a platform. It's a program where it deals with binary options, right? With Nadex, which is the most reputable binary options program out there or broker out there. And we're going to be using them. And we have a woman who, well, there's some twins that run it, Megan and Reagan, which I've been knowing for years. But they have introduced a trader that trades binary options. And binary options are alternative because you can make money fast. And I like what they're doing because starting August 1st, they are going to be, they start and they're looking at for everybody to be making $100 a day, which that got me. That was like, really? That's the same formula I have. And they're looking at that, people to be doing that within 30 days. That's how fast they want you to be making $100 a day. And you can start with as low as, their membership is $100 a month, which you should be getting from the money from what we're doing, the 90-day plan. After the 30 days, you should have well more than $100 that you can fund. And then as a member, put in at least $100 into the investment part. I would suggest 250, but at least $100, and start building your binary options to where you're making $50 a day, $100 a day. So now you have two systems where you're making that one is funding the other one, right? But now you have two systems that's going to increase faster, where literally you'll be doing 500 a day at least in the next 4 or 5 months. If you are trading yourself, now the binary options, you're doing the trading. They're just, the lady is giving you the picks and she's giving you 10 picks, binary option picks. And she says she never loses more than 2. So that means 8 out of 10 picks that she's winning daily. Not to say you have to do all the trades. You can do a few of them. In fact, you can do one and do a few trades. So people have a combination. You'll see how you want to do it based on your personality and how much time you have. But, they'll hold trades for an hour, 12 hours, 30 minutes. Depends which binary options they're doing. But now what you're going to do is learn the skill, binary options skill. And everyone should learn that because you can make money fast with a little bit of money. That's why I like it. And it's something that you control. And it's a hedge for what we're doing with the third-party platforms. You're hedging your bets, basically, and you're making money two ways. Now, you know, we have the bots, you can fund those, Forex bots, the crypto bots. We have the gold and silver accumulation. We also have the, like I mentioned before, the managed liquidity pool and staking. And also we have the do it yourself liquidity pools and staking. So we have a lot going on, but we're focused on turning this money around, growing this money with um, the 90-day $100 a day plan. And the bonus will be and everybody doesn't have to do it. It's people who have the time, people who want to do the binary options. That's an extra bonus, okay, that we're going to be having in 30 days or less. Depends how good it's doing. Which is, again, Naima is testing it. And then we will have that as a bonus to even speed up the process of how much money you can make daily. Okay. So I just wanted to give you that information. We're attacking it and we're going forward with it. And we're going to have a lot of fun. We're having a lot of fun now. We just want to have more fun making money. I don't know if Daryl is still on, but I know Naima is on. Give your assessment about everything that we're doing because you're in the process of basically, in fact, you're farther than me because you have that extra uh, third-party platform rolling that again we will be adding by next week.
Can you
Uh,
can you put your link in the chat for me, please, for this one here? Thank you.
for this one, oh, I think I gave it to you already. I haven't given it to you. If not,
If you can, you get it now, or is there a problem?
no. I'm just trying to figure out where is it.
You go to the top right corner to your profile section. You see top right corner of your profile? Right,
Profile.
all the way over to your right. Yeah, click on it. Scroll all the way down and you see a referral link and just copy it.
There it is. So that's pretty much what we're doing, and we're attacking. So it's like we are literally there. You go, Daryl. So any words from you, Naima?
Oh no, I mean you hit on every topic. I mean, I'm just using, like you say, use one feeder or a few feeders to dump funds into Trage Tech and other like platforms that we want to grow. That's the most important thing. Of course, those feeders not going to last forever, but in the meantime, we could try to our best to utilize those feeders, as far as Polivera and the other one, to really increase our cash flow into other opportunities.
Correct. So I think that's the point of what we're doing is like if we can create the cash flow, which we're doing. I mean, this cash flow is amazing, but you want to put it into more stable platforms, and one is Trage Tech, and the other one will be the binary options, which you actually control. And I always look at Trade Tech almost like a hybrid because since you have money uh, that you can take out daily, principal and profit, I mean, that's like right in the middle. you know, you controlling and the third party. So that's really advantageous to be able to take, especially when you build it to a certain point, to be able to, and that's all we want to do. We want to put thousands in that one. And just that we have the advantage of being able to take money out daily and principal out daily is going to be fantastic. But the key for people who want to get free is the bonus and learn a skill, a trading skill that you'll be trading with a group of people. Everybody's doing it. So you have the support. It's not you out there left out there by yourself. You have the support of other people, of a group of people with the mindset of winning, that synergy, everybody putting in the trades. That's going to be fun. And the thing, like I said, you don't need a lot of money, but you are going to have the time. And you can do it from your phone. So that's going to be fun because you can take out with Nadex, you can take out money anytime you want. That becomes your own, literally, bank. You take out money anytime you want, and it's real and it's not going anywhere. Okay, you just have to learn how to do it, which will be a short educational. I mean, you'll learn it in 30 minutes or less. Then it's just you taking the action and applying it, right? And following the system. Because you don't have to trade you don't have to figure out what trade to do yourself. You're going to be told what trade to do. Okay. And just follow the system. We're talking about a lady who's been doing it since 2014 and is very, very successful. That's all she does. So let's get it up. Now they say, we can get to $100 a day with it, but I'm like, I have binary options experience. I know if everything is what she says is true, people are making $1,000 a day with the system. Because if you have 1,000 in your, which we'll be able to have easily, 1,000 in your Nadex, you can turn that into 5,000 in a month. Okay, especially if you're doing all the trades. So it could be crazy money. So that's what we're looking at doing, and we're going to have some fun. Okay. So other than that, if there's not any questions, I sent the link. Get in where you fit in. And like I said, everything is low money, so it's really low risk. It's really low risk. So yeah, that's it. Any questions? Okay, well, I'm pretty much done. It's 11:40. Can you post the link again? Oh no, you have to Ronald, you're gonna get Daryl's link. Once Daryl signs up, you'll get his link. Okay.
And remember, Dwayne, just piggyback from off of what you said, in Trage Tech, remember, you could get paid in three different ways. One, you come in, if someone, don't want to do the business side, they could come in and invest as a client. Just, they basically, have their own strategic approach to how they want to earn because, you could come in and compound your earnings as well. So your funds will never be the same. Okay. And you could also come in, second way you could earn is you could earn through level earnings as well. Okay, everybody on your levels, as far as if you have level one, people who are invested, level twos, you earn from your levels. And the third one is ranked dividends as well. That's where the magic happened. And all three in my opinion, but the third one is really where the magic happened. So just keep that in mind. And you don't need a lot of people on your first level. All you need is about 3 solid people, and then that's it, 3 or 4 solid people, and then you just basically plug people in. Whoever come in, you plug, you help your people out to get their people down under them, and that's how you're going to hit those ranks, those qualifications that you need.
Yeah, what she's talking about. Like we'll be turning people onto the calls, how to build your downline correctly, and we will be helping people do it and signing people up under people. Because really, these type of platforms, when you build them strategically, all it is about volume. The more volume you have, and the more you hit your levels uh, toward investment, the better ranks you'll get, and that's when the payout gets, like she was talking about, magical. So, it's a lot of things going on. I know I'm putting a lot of things on you. I know it's hard for people to keep up, but I don't care. I'm tired of playing nice. If you can't keep up, that's your problem. This is about making money and making money. You say make money. You can't make money fast. Well, we're not trying to make money slow. They say make money slow. We're making money fast. We have a system, right? And there's many parts to it. All you got to do is get in one part and earn as you learn. Earn as you learn. And like I said, the Nadex plan is for the people who are ready. If you're not ready, don't do it. But the thing is, what's going to get you ready is working the cash flow platforms, and funding that Trage Tech. Now, the whole thing is, why is that getting you ready? Because it's keeping your mind on your money and your money on your mind. Too many people get in this stuff and they just, what? I don't know what's going on. I'm making money, but I don't know. Oh, I made money today. Oh, what happened to that platform? That platform disappeared. I haven't looked at it in a month. I didn't know. What? What? Nowhere yet. Some people don't even reinvest, sitting up there in their wallet, $1,000 that they made and never reinvested. What? So the whole thing is you got to pay attention. Once you pay attention, you start moving money, your mind will get strong. You will develop a muscle of moving money and making money. Nothing funner than moving money and making money. Take out a little for yourself, pay a bill, put a little back in, or move it to another platform. Boom, boom, boom. All of a sudden, your money's growing. Your money's growing. And then, so just that part may be enough for people. But the other side, if you open up that door, and all it is, you have to expand your brain toward what the possibility is. Once you open up that door to binary options trading, remember, there's nothing but money in it. Doesn't take a lot of your time. Now you have two systems. And we have other systems, bot systems, the crypto and the Forex, and also the staking and the liquidity pools. That's all of it. All of it is money. If you really look at it as one investment with different parts, then you'll see how easy it is. It's just one big pool of investing that's all passive or semi-passive that you get to play in. It's a privilege to be able to handle all these sectors, from the bots through the liquidity pools to the binary options to the third-party platforms to and also the silver and gold accumulation. There's just different parts for you to make money. And again, these are for people who want to get financially free and build that muscle. It's about building the muscle of being a financial master, an passive investment master. So you don't want to miss any money. That's why we're doing third-party platforms. Now, third-party platforms are getting better. Why do I have to miss that money when I know how to do it? I'm not concerned about, a rug pull. I get my money out way before a rug pull. You just find a good program, good people behind it, names that are real, not fake names, good compensation plan, great money system. How fast do they pay? When do they pay? Do they stick to what they're saying? One drops, you just get another one. That's why you have multiple going on. We're not just one. We got 3 and going to add 4 feeders to put into Trade Tech. But ultimately, use some of that money to start off the binary options in 2 weeks to 30 days. Okay? So I'm pretty much done. Let's have some fun. So this is Dwayne Mooney. This Wealth Portal seminar Zoom is officially over. Peace and prosperity.